Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is Canon PIXMA TR4755i. It's a multifunctional printer. What I want to do is to show you how to reset this printer. This printer is currently online on my mobile phone and also is connected to the laptop. If you look on the laptop, it's showing us Canon TR4700 series online. What I want us to do is to show you how to reset this printer, and after you reset this printer, it will be offline. You need to reconnect it back. The reason why it's good to reset printer is if you're having an issue with the wireless network connection or there is a problem with the printer, you can reset the printer. And to do this, what you need to do is you need to go to the printer display screen, select this button. It will show you setup. Scroll to the side. Select device settings. So scroll to the side, left and right, select device settings, select OK. It will show you print setting. Scroll again, line setting, smartphone print, other device settings, language selection, firmware update, reset settings. Then you select OK. Web service setup, line settings reset, telephone no data, reset settings, data, reset settings, fax settings, reset settings, all. Then you select OK. All fast documents, select all fast documents on memory will be deleted. Then you select OK. Reset, no or yes. Select on the left side and select OK to reset. It's processing, initializing. And if you look on the mobile phone, you will see that the printer is now offline. If you look on the mobile device, you will see that the printer is no longer connected to wireless network. It's showing us offline. Then you select OK. So this is how to reset this printer, and it's showing us please wait momentarily. So the printer is no longer connected to network. Likewise, if you go to the laptop, it will show you Canon TR4700 series offline. Check printer connection. So this is how to reset this printer so that you can go back and reconnect it. If you look on the mobile device, it's showing us offline, and also on the laptop offline. So this is how to reset the printer completely. Thank you very much indeed.